morning. Today I'm going to do an experiment because I haven't done this before. I'm going to be testing the Duxtop Induction Cooktop. I have not used this on the power supply. Because it's cold and raining, we're going to make soup. An induction cooktop needs a metal pan. I freeze soup and stew and take it with me on the road. I'm showing it to you in the studio. That is frozen. It is a minestrone soup. Add about a cup of water. I'm going to turn on the AC to about 250. I highlighted the settings I'm using. There's the time. This cooktop has 10 different power levels, and it runs from, I think it's 200 to 1800 watts, and it goes from 140 degrees to 460, but that would definitely kill the power supply. It's 1104. Power supply is 78%. You want to add 2 because, well, it was at 98% when I started. I've seen a lot of videos with these induction cooktops being used, but not a lot of information on what it really does to a power supply. In closing, the surface here is cool. Underneath is also cool. Inside this ring, it's very hot. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please share it, subscribe, give it a thumbs up because that helps circulate the video. And I have another thing coming. I ordered a surprise. As soon as it comes in, I will be putting up another video. And have a good day.